Okay, how you guys doing? For those of you guys that don't know, maybe this might be your first time watching me. My name's Cameron Massey-Turner, and I'm definitely one of those people that's been moving with this company called LiveGood for quite some time. So I've been kind of recording my journey. I've been recording helping other people actually succeed just from working from home in their spare time, all with being just a normal guy. And literally showing people how companies like LiveGood can be a great investment opportunity. And let me kind of back that up. Let me not just say companies. I know there's multiple companies out there, but I'm only going to vouch for one company. I'm only going to vouch for LiveGood because it's the only company that I've been in. Well, not the only, but one of the only few companies that I've been in that's been doing every single thing that they say they're going to do, especially when it comes down to getting paid out weekly, helping other people succeed, and teaching the average person a copy and paste system, a business in a box system. So I want to let you guys know that live good, man. The new tip that I want to let people know, maybe you're not in live good, so I want to give you guys this information. And if you are in live good and you just signed up, then I want to explain to you guys what is one of the most vital points when you first join this company, Live Good. Okay? When you first join this company, Live Good, one of the things that I like about it compared to other companies is that when you get involved with other companies, they'll have you watch this awesome compensation plan. And when you're watching this awesome compensation plan, you're going to be like, oh, okay, well, I want to become obviously the top rank. You want to become a crown diamond. You want to become a royal ambassador. You want to make $13,000, $14,000 a month. You know, you want to live like most people dream, all from doing it with an internet connection, right? But then you actually have to do the work. So what I found out, and in the beginning, I had to understand this too, is that there were a lot of companies that I joined, and I could not that I couldn't do the work, but I didn't know where I was going. I didn't know how to rank advancement besides my first rank. That was super vital. I didn't understand that when we talk about ranking up, it creates something called it's something called volume. And volume only comes from sales, and sales only come from real people actually making real purchases, right? So it was years ago that I found out this information, and I told my sponsor one time, I said, you know what would be great if they would actually tell us how we can rank advance, what we need to get to the next level, instead of just saying, hey, bring in people, you can get to the next level. We wanted to know step by step. And instead of me having to explain over and over again to the average person that joins, this is what you have to do to become successful, it became something that I love to call stressful, right? And by it stressing me out, it means it wasn't duplicatable. It was not duplicatable, period. What's not duplicatable is people not understanding a compensation plan. It's one thing to sort of just print out a compensation plan, but for other people to say, I don't understand what this means. How are they ever going to rank up if they don't understand how to earn an income? Okay? So live good. What they got is, once you first sign up as a brand new member, we always say you don't even need a sponsor when you join this company. You don't. But with people like me, every time I have a great conversation with somebody that just joined my team, I always lead them to the compensation plan in their back office and the rank qualifications. Okay? The reason is because I want them to see where they are going to see not only all the ranks that they can achieve, but I want them to fully understand what it is they have to do so they can achieve these ranks. And when you join this company, they literally have all this information posted in their back office. All you have to do is sit there and read, and it only takes maybe like a couple of minutes. But when you start to understand the power of this company and how other people are able to just create an extra income from doing stuff that they're already doing. I know a lot of people that join a whole bunch of health and wellness companies. I know tons of people that join all these antioxidant companies, right? When you join a company like LiveGood, not only are you getting a membership, so you can be a member, you can shop, get discounts. That's excellent. That's what we want people to do. But you also have an opportunity to earn an income from it. And we love helping other people earn an income from doing things that they're already doing. See, that's the point of networking with other people. All you're doing is moving a product from one place to another place and showing people that this is the new way of doing business, right? So all the people that ever said, hey, MLM, network marketing, these are pyramid schemes, these are scams, you can actually Google this yourself. Remember, we always rely on Google. We always rely on the computer. You can get this information yourself. And all you have to do is literally Google and look at the answer of what Google tells you. Once you ask a question, are all MLM scams? Are all MLM pyramid schemes? And after doing your research, you're going to find out that some MLMs in the world are pyramid scams. They're pyramid schemes, but then you're also going to find out that there's a lot of companies out here that are real legit companies, right? People pay taxes on companies like these. People are multi-millionaires from companies like these. So I always said, if this was a scam, why would the government let this person operate a Ponzi scheme? See what I'm saying? We're not saying put your money in this, you'll make tons of money. We're not saying it. We're saying you can look at this as two ways. You can say, hey, I want some of the products that they have and I want to get it at a discount. Do like I did. We paid for a whole entire year. Another thing you can do is also say, hey, maybe I don't want to build a massive network of people, but I know people that just want to do the same thing I'm doing. They want to get a discount when they purchase these same products, right? Well, what's going to happen is somebody out there in an organization, if you do it consistently, they're going to want more. So what they're going to do is something called massive market. When you massive market, all you're doing is putting your face, your product out there to the masses. And that person that decided to invest in LiveGood in the right organization can actually start seeing a return, right? This isn't no get rich quick overnight scheme. This isn't no 6-7 months later your whole life will change. We're talking about an actual business, something that's going to take years for you to build, but it's going to be your money, right? Most companies that people join that become extremely successful don't give up their success in 24 hours. You think that they gave it up because they might be promoting another company. But what's really happening is they're massive promoting multiple companies. And they figured it out. That's how they can create multiple incomes, multiple streams of incomes. And I'm telling you guys, with an opportunity like LiveGood, every time you get a brand new person to not only enroll, right? And you show them the rank advancements, the rank qualifications, and they start to see this for themselves, then what you're doing is you're going to start creating a massive network of people that understand exactly what to do. Whether they just want to be a member, or whether they want to take it into their own hands and actually become a reseller, or even an investor that says, hey, I want to get in on the average person that just want to buy products like this, and I hope that they fall into my organization. And the only way I'm going to hope is because I know I have other people on my team that's bringing in people that's interested in doing what we do at LiveGood, which is buying products that are organic and other products like that that are at a discount, right? We're tired of those MLM companies that say you have to have products on the auto ship to make money. You have to be that person to drink lotions and potions and share with all your friends. You know, you guys are going to spend tons of money doing that. And it's going to take forever if you ever do get in profit. But what's happening now is people like me and other people in our organization is taking advantage of an opportunity that's allowing us to earn an income, like a Costco membership, like a Netflix membership. We're doing this on our spare time, right? We're just sharing with people information on how you can actually start making a weekly income if you look at this the right way, the correct way. The correct way of looking at something like this would say, hey, I know if I want products that they have, when we talk about pets, or we talk about organic coffee, or we sit there and talk about, reds and super greens, when we start getting into conversations like these, if you know that you're super excited about an opportunity like this, then you have to really understand that there's other people out there that's super excited about this same opportunity. And all you have to do is put yourself in front of these people and show them how they can create an extra income every single week. See, this company is not about one person succeeding and everybody saying, oh, okay, well, we want this one person to succeed. No, this company is about multiple people succeeding. Everyone in the organization succeeding on their own time with the help of others. That's why we love LiveGood. So many different ways for people to get paid. There's so many different ways people get their lives changed. I think when you guys look at something like MLM, or you say network marketing, or you look up a compensation plan, a lot of people have not only been scarred, but a lot of people have been mentally abused. A lot of people need to just start telling their top income earners when they join a company, if you joined it because you want to get products at a discount, and say, hey, I joined it because I want to get products at a discount. If I make money from it, that's great. Kind of look at it like an investment program, if that's what I want to decide to do. And a lot of you people will be happy. But what people choose to do is people take it into their own hands and they choose to say, oh, you have a nice house, or you have a nice car, or you have time and freedom on your hands, and that's exactly what I want to do. When in reality, you know for a fact that's not what you want to do. This is why I shared this opportunity LiveGood with multiple people, because we have some people on our team that really just enjoy ordering the products. We have some people on our team that really just enjoy sharing the information. And we have some people on our team, they enjoy doing both, right? Freeing up their time, spending more time with family, having more money, leisure. You don't have to fake who you are. You can be your regular self. There's no glitz, no glams. It's just real paychecks every single week. That's it. You got real paychecks when you talk about LiveGood. You got real weekly income when we speaking about LiveGood. You got a real company that's saying you don't have to order any products to make money. The reason why, because number one, the first product LiveGood has is the digital product, the membership. Remember I said it's always have to be a point to where money is being exchanged from one person to another in order for you to get a piece of something called a commission, right? And for LiveGood, it's not just available in your country. That was another problem that most MLM companies we had. We would say, well, we can't do it outside of certain states, or certain states we can't do this opportunity. But guess what? That's not true with LiveGood. Multiple companies, multiple countries, all over the world. LiveGood isn't just changing lives in America. LiveGood is changing lives all over the world. What that means is you can start a business in America with LiveGood, and you can have all of your clients, if you want to, out of the country. And they can build you an entire foreign distribution network of people that's moving product from one place to another. See, I'm telling you guys, there's so many different ways you can win with LiveGood. LiveGood is not just, oh, I want to just join today and get rich tomorrow and live the life of my dreams. LiveGood is going to treat you how you treat your business. So if you're going to treat your business and you're going to grow like your seed that you planted, and you got it in good soil, and you water it, you let it get sun, it's going to feed you for a lifetime. But if you're one of those people that join because you want glitz and glam, you want to get paid in 3 days every single day or whatever, and you don't want to do any work, then what you're doing with your seed, you're taking your seed and you're putting it in any kind of soil, you're not watering it, you're not letting it get sun, and you're hoping that it feeds you. That's why we take people over rank qualifications. And you guys can see, once you guys join this opportunity and the rank qualifications, the compensation plan, you guys can sit there and read it You don't even have to watch the video. Watching the video just shows you how much more powerful this opportunity is. I'm telling you guys, you can get paid from over 11 times from a company like LiveGood, from one person. You want to understand how you can do that and how you can take life right back into your own hands? It's not going to be overnight. It's going to take some time. But if you're willing to put in the hard work, the time that it takes, right? And you don't have to spend all day doing it. We're going to show you guys exactly the step-by-step blueprint of how you get it done. From the moment you join our team, you have a business in a box. All you have to do is click my link in the description, become a paid member, and I'm going to show you guys how to make a weekly income every single week, just like I've been showing other people how to make an income with LiveGood, right? So let's get this done. If you guys enjoy real companies, real people, and real incomes, then join my team.